Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a user from Slack or even Slack, whatever you are calling it. So let's just get into it. So first of all, of course, you would like to have the Slack or the Slack application downloaded on your PC. So if you don't have that, just go to any browser you're using, type maybe download Slack, download it, set up it. After that, just go and launch the application. Then all you need to do, just sign in. If you don't have an account, of course, that will take you to your browser again. Just go sign in there. It will take you to the Slack application again after sign in. So as we said, we would like to remove a user from Slack. So how can I remove a user from Slack? It's simply by, as you can see here, if you go to any user from here, as you can see, I have here directed messages. So if you go to any user here and click at it, so as you can see here, of course, we have the star. We can start any conversation we have between us. We can mute this user, of course. As you can see, we can add people to this conversation. It will make it like a group. Of course, you can view the view profile or the full profile by clicking here. If you have a pro or a premium, can be able to send this to conversations. Of course, just go and click at view profile. Here you will find you can message him. You can just go here and copy the member ID, view files, or copy the display name. So as we said, let's say for example this user, this user is with us in one of our channels. So let's go to our channel here. Let's search for a channel that's, yeah, as you can see, here he is in this channel. So if you want, of course, to remove a user from Slack in a channel, all you need to do is just go to the user that you want to remove and go and hit this remove button. So if you click on here, as you can see, remove the user from this channel, of course, they'll be able to rejoin or be added to the conversation. So of course, if they browse into this channel again, they can be rejoin, or if you like invite them again, they can rejoin whenever they want. So if you just click here to remove, as you can see, the members now is not there anymore. So as you can see, of course, it will sell here or remain here on your direct messages. Of course, if you want to remove them even from this direct message, all you need to do, just go and click at this X button here, and it's kind of gone for good. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.